If you wish to begin your SIP journey with Sharekhan, then this video is for you. Let us understand how to place an SIP order in a mutual fund scheme under the non-demat mode. First, do switch your profile toggle on the top right to MF, that is mutual funds, in order to view your mutual fund dashboard. Next, under the Invest tab, select the fund of your choice and click on Start SIP. On the order window, enter at least the minimum amount. Select your SIP start date and choose from any of your auto invest mandates. You may also create a new auto invest mandate by clicking here. Watch our video on how to create a new auto invest mandate for SIP investments. The link to that video is in the description box. Please go through the terms and conditions and click on Agree. In case you have an existing investment with the fund house, let's say ICICI Prudential AMC, then as you click on Place Order, select an existing folio. Click on Confirm Order and your order will be placed successfully. In case you are investing in mutual fund for the first time or investing in the fund house for the first time, then you would need to create a new folio for which you need to authenticate your nominee details. In order to do so, contact your nearest Sharekhan branch or your relationship manager to help generate the nomination authentication link. Click on Proceed. With the help of your relationship manager, you will receive the link on your registered email ID and mobile number. Click on it and you will be redirected to the nominee authentication page, wherein you can confirm and submit your nominee details. Proceeding further, once you click on Confirm Order, the order will be processed and the amount will be debited a day prior in case of BSE mandate and 2 days prior in case of Sharekhan mandate.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.